Okay, today we're going to be talking about ordered pairs. And in order to talk about ordered pairs, we first need to understand what a coordinate plane is. And a coordinate plane is formed when two perpendicular numbered lines intersect. So we have our perpendicular lines here, and we also want to know that they intersect at a point called the origin. And we can label it with a 0 here. And then we can go ahead and number our lines. This is our x-axis. It is the horizontal axis. And then we can also number our vertical axis. And we will label this our y-axis. Now, we're ready for our ordered pairs. So an ordered pair are two numbers that we use to name a point on a coordinate plane. So we're going to start out with the ordered pair 3, 5. Ordered pairs are usually written in parentheses like this. And the ordered pair represents the x-axis and then the y-axis. So let's find our point now on our coordinate plane, and we're going to start out with our x-axis first, always, and we're going to count over 1, 2, 3 places, and then we're going to count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we will mark our point with a nice dot there. And we just clean these little lines up. So again, our coordinate pair represents first the place on the x-axis, and we said that was going to be, we're going to count over 3, and then we count up. The 5 represents our place on the y-axis, and then we will count up 5 to find our point on our coordinate plane. That's how we use ordered pairs in the coordinate plane. Okay, so now I might use my coordinate plane and my understanding of ordered pairs to do something a little different. Again, I would start from my origin here, and I know I have my numbered perpendicular lines, and the horizontal line is the x-axis. The vertical line is the y-axis. And I'm going to use my coordinate plane and my understanding of ordered pairs to identify some points in the coordinate plane. So I'm going to start with A. And if I look at point A, I would first count over across the x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to count up 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know that point A is at 6, 4. Point B. If I look at my x-axis, I count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then up 1. So that point will be 5, 1. C, I'm going to count over 1, 2, 3, 4 across my x-axis, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on my y-axis. So that point is at 4, 5. And finally, point D is 1, 2 on my x-axis, and 1, 2, 3 on the y-axis. So there are my ordered pairs for points A, B, C, and D. Okay, so now it is your turn to try out your coordinate pairs. I'd like you to work on independent practice on pages 527, 528. Good luck.